Pretty girls only. Pretty girl bounce, pretty girl bounce. Pretty girl bounce, pretty girl bounce. Do your fucking thing,
Hey kings and queens, welcome back. It's your girl Klyapatra, and today I'm coming at you guys with a hair tutorial on extra mega jumbo box braids, and it is very beginner friendly. And when I tell you y'all this is beginner, like y'all can see a little fuzz. Like this is my first time, like, or second time actually trying to do my own hair. Yeah, so I got 10 parts in my head. Okay, they're really big. I did start off with blow drying my hair, but you do not have to blow dry your hair if you don't want to. I don't usually put heat in my hair. I literally only blow dry my hair just because I wanted to, really. But you can if you want to. I do not do any parting in this video. I am not the best parter. My mom did help me. If you have a friend, a sibling, somebody who can help you with your parts, I totally recommend, if you're especially beginner at this, because just like me, all the products links down below. I use Spectra hair, and I did use about 6 ropes of hair, not a 6-pack, but like a 6-pack. So I used the whole thing because my braids are really thick, as you guys can see. They're not skinny, and I didn't really want them skinny. You know, a lot of people do their skinny, but I wanted mine bigger on the bigger side. I also did curl the ends, but I'm about to add a new curl to it, a little tighter curl. And also, I didn't want to forget that I'm here in my Cocoa Dreams winter collection onesies, a black owned business. I'm gonna tag her Instagram in the description box below. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Okay ladies, so let's get started. First, I start by unbraiding my plaits with my parts. Next up, I'm going to add some gel. I mixed Shine and Jam Extra Hold and a biotin gel. I didn't really like the biotin gel because it makes my hair curl up, but I do recommend that Shine and Jam Extra Hold. You're going to apply that all through your hair, especially your roots. You're going to start braiding your hair down and leave the end out. Apply some Shine and Jam gel to that end. Next, you're going to insert the crochet hook on a diagonal with the front to the back. You want the hook sticking out the back. You're going to add a thick piece of hair, a really thick piece of hair. And here's a tip to get that thick piece of hair inside. You're going to start on the shorter side of the hair. You're going to make the hair a little bit uneven because when you just pull it through, you try to pull it through from the middle, it gets stuck under your hair because it's so thick. Sorry, y'all. I'm just trying to get this braiding hair together so I could crochet the next piece in. Y'all just ignore me. Take your time. And note, I flipped that thick piece of hair out of my way when crocheting in the small piece because it can get a little bit confusing. Next up, you're going to take a skinny piece of hair and you're going to insert that crochet hook from the back of your part to the front on the opposite diagonal. I twist my braiding hair a little bit, and as I already said, I move it over a little bit to the side so it won't be in the middle, as you guys can see. And then I pull that one side through and finish pulling it out because it does get a little stuck. Next, I'm going to take that skinny piece that I just added, and I'm going to use that braiding hair, and I'm going to cover my braid and my actual real hair. So it's kind of like tucking, and I add a little gel on my fingers just to slick it over and slick it down just so it can stay in place. This really helped me a lot. Next up, now you have your 3 pieces of a braid, and you're going to start braiding, girl. Start braiding. And make sure you're using that braiding hair and covering up your own braid. That's the main trick, and that's the main point, is to cover your own braid. And once you have your braid covered, you can just keep on braiding down to the ends. Okay? So you just gonna braid that braid. Girl, braid that braid. And once you get down to your hair, when you get down to your hair, add some more gel, y'all. If you don't want your hair sticking out the ends in 3 days like mine did, add some more gel to the ends of your hair. use that extra hold. And so y'all can see I do feed in some hair. I feed in thick pieces. And the way I feed in is just the same way that I braid. So look at this. Take the piece of hair. You take the two on one section and you just braid it in. So you just take your time and you just act like as if it was a part of the braid already. And since I want to be cute, of course I added pink. Who doesn't love pink? I added pink to the ends, y'all. So just keep watching. And I think I feed it in 3 or 4 black pieces of hair and then 3 or 4 pink pieces of hair. And all of them I kept thick, y'all. As I said, I wanted my braids really thick. Like, I've seen girls who've had thick parts and skinny braids. And, you know, no, that's not going to work for me. Okay? Okay. The first time I used these curlers, I like it, but it ain't really giving what it's supposed to give. So, I'm gonna do it again, okay? And y'all gonna see it. And y'all gonna like it. Y'all gonna like my content. You gonna like it. Yeah. Anyway, back to doing. So, I'm gonna use these rollers, these skinny blue rollers. And what I'm finna do is curl these ends. So as you can see, I start like in the middle, not all the way at the bottom. And I start by wrapping some of the hair around. And then I just wrap some more excess hair over top of that just to make sure it don't come out. So you're gonna see me do that like twice. I'm using these skinny blue rollers. And yeah. And you see how the end just comes off a little bit? That's why I don't like to leave it just with the end at the top. And I do how I do mine. Last up, ladies, we're gonna steam it in some hot water and place it in some in a towel, and you done. You made it, girl. Oh yeah, proud of you. Hope you all stayed for the whole tutorial and enjoyed it. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, ask me questions, comment, and share. Bye, kings and queens. Klyapatra, Audi 5000.